Facial bones, I enlisted in last class, all facial bones. Okay, so we start with the mandible. Mandible is a single bone, unpaired bone, and is the largest bone of. I think mandible सभी को दिख रही है क्या? मैंने हाथ में mandible ली हुई है.
Yes, ma'am.
दिख रहा है mandible? This is mandible of ox. This is mandible of ox. So mandible of ox form the lower jaw, and it comprised of body. This whole is body. जो पीछे वाला part है, this whole is body. Is a single bone. It forms the lower jaw. It has two parts, body and two rami. Means the horizontal part, this whole is body. Left and right, both half form the body and two rami. This vertical part is called ramus and the horizontal part whole is called body. Okay. So I think whole mandible is visible to you. This is what this up to here it is body. From here to here it is body and this is the vertical part. This is called ramus. The body is comprised of two parts, right and left parts, which are joined with each other by mandibular symphysis. This is mandibular symphysis. I told you in case of classification of joint, when I discussed classification of joint, at that time I told you that mandibular symphysis in case of ox, dog, and pig, it is symphysis. In case of horse, it is synchondrosis. I think you might have remembered this. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So the body is divided into two parts, right and left part, which are united or joined or articulated with each other anteriorly and form mandibular symphysis. Then the body again divided into two parts, incisive part and molar part. Incisive and molar part, how it is incisive and molar? मैंने अभी बताया बॉडी को एक पूरे को एक ट्रीट किया गया है. डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप अलग अलग दो पार्ट का अलग अलग डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं चल रहा है, याद रखिए. This is whole description is whole. So this part is called incisive part of the body, right? And this is the molar part of the body. Clear? So here the incisive part of the body has sockets for incisor teeth in case of ox. In case of ox, if you see the jaw, अगर आप mouth cavity open करके देखें, then what you will see that there are presence of incisor in the lower jaw, but in upper jaw there are absence of incisor teeth, and in place of that dental pad is present in upper jaw. ठीक है? अगर कभी किसी ने खोल के देखा हो, मुंह देखा हो गाय का, बैल का, तो आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि ऊपर वाले दांत है नहीं. ऊपर वाले दांत, ऊपर वाले इंसाइजर है ही नहीं उसमें, केवल नीचे के ही इंसाइजर्स हैं. So how many incisors will be present in this mandible? So first we have to know the dental formula of ox. Dental formula मैं आपको सारी species का अभी बता देती हूँ, because we discuss the comparative anatomy of dog, pig, horse. So the number of alveolar sockets will change. That is why you have to know the dental formula of each species. So by that you can say that this number of sockets are present in incisive part and molar part. So first you see the dental formula in case of